Well, hello. It's about 5 o'clock later in the day on the 20th, I think, 21st. Anyway, I am here at Trail 1319, which is going to lead me up to Tronson Head, and I think it's called Windy Point or Windy Head, Windy Knob, Windy something. Anyway, still a beautiful day out here. Alright, well, I'm heading back down from Windy Knob, and luckily I got a day when there was no wind, so it's just beautiful out here. Can't get enough of it. Anyway, from here I'll go back to the trail and then head up to Tronson Head. That's my last stop for the day. I'm up at the top of Tronson Head. Elevation I believe is 5980, and this makes my last high point for the day. So between the drive ups and the hike ups, I believe I've hit 8 today. So it's been a good productive day, and just really enjoying another day in the mountains.